What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. I had a package coming today. I've been waiting for this package to finish up my clutch install. The clutch is installed, everything's installed. If you watched the last video, you know that the whole car is pretty much put back together. I've been waiting for this box right there, somewhere right there. I've been waiting for that so I can get my car started. So the last thing, waiting to go back in the car. Let's go ahead and open it so you guys can find out just exactly what it is. Look at this thing, it is so beautiful. That right there is an MBRP catless downpipe. I have the tune waiting from Mountune, of course. I got the revision for the downpipe. Just waiting to install it. We'll load the tune and obviously get the downpipe installed, and from there we'll have some fun with it. And the new tune is officially loading. Alright, here it goes. We are going to start the car without the exhaust, just cat back. Alright, here it goes. We are going to start the car without the exhaust connected, just the decat. Go. Here it goes. Final stages. Working with the bar. Alright, so the downpipe install went a lot easier than what I actually thought it would, because when we first took out the stock downpipe, let me tell you, it took about 5 hours to take one bolt off. That thing was cross-threaded from the factory, and it was very frustrating. Made me want to burn the car down, but we got it done. Let's get one more cold start for you guys. The car sat now for probably 18 hours or so. Let's hear it. Loving how it sounds. Alright, you guys, so that concludes today's video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. If you have, of course, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you think I made the right decision with the MBRP exhaust. Personally, I love this downpipe. It sounds much better than factory. It's a little louder, and somebody saw me shooting flames, so that's a good sign. I haven't seen it yet for myself. I haven't attempted to see it. But everything's leading to better things for the RS. So if you guys are new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do so. Until next time, I'm checking out.
Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gonna crash, I know I'm never gonna crash, ayy.